Warning: please read the warning we make in the More Information section of our channel. We aren't responsible for the information herein. This is amazing. Apply Vasiline for 30 days on your breasts and see what happens. In brief moments, a written explanation. We all know that Vasiline has a wide range of uses. It is often used for rough skin on the elbows and ankles, for lip care, softening the skin, and can be also used for some unusual purposes. This amazing product can be also used for increasing the cup size of your breasts. This unusual use can be performed at home. You only have to put some toothpaste on the nipples and rub the Vasiline on your breasts. Do this amazing technique every night until you get desired results. You will be surprised by the results. The method is very simple and easy. All you have to do is to rub Vasiline all over your breast, and then to put toothpaste on your nipple. You should repeat this method every night until you get the desired results, and believe me, you will be amazed. Here are the most effective uses of Vasiline for beauty purposes. Get rid of glue from the eyelashes by rubbing it on the lashes. After shaving, make a mixture between sea salt and Vasiline and exfoliate your skin. Avoid spray tan streaks by putting some Vasiline on back of the knees and ankles. Get rid of stains of makeup from your clothes. Makes your shoes look new. You can also make your eyebrow plucking easier. Removing makeup. Apply some Vasiline on the teeth in order to prevent the lipstick to smudge. Apply some Vasiline on your neck, arms and face for soft skin. Apply some Vasiline on the areas where you put perfume, wrists, cleavage, neck. Get soft and luscious lips and cure cracked and dry lips. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.